How to add story highlights on Facebook page. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your Facebook application on your device and make sure that you are signed in to your Facebook page and not your Facebook profile. Now, once you are in your Facebook page, tap on your Facebook page icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your Facebook page. Here, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for add highlights. So go ahead and tap on the add highlights option you see there, and now in this particular interface you will be able to view all your stories that you have added, or you can also add highlights directly from your camera roll. I will add highlights from my story. So go ahead and select the stories that you want to add to your Facebook page highlight. Simply select the stories that you want to add and then tap on the next option on the top right of your screen. You will then be required to choose your cover for highlight, and you can also go ahead and add in title for your highlights. Additionally, if you want to add more pictures, then you can tap on the add more option there. Once you are done making changes to your highlight, simply tap on the done option on the top right of your screen and then wait for the highlight to be created. Further, go ahead and pull down to refresh your Facebook page, and with this, as you can see, the highlights has been created. So this was about how you can add story highlights on Facebook page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.